Very interesting. Yes, how are you doing? I thought maybe I should catch up with you and get to, yeah, say hi and show you my face. We have had a storm last night, really, pretty much rains. We are going to have a great season this year here in the savannah, and together with the livestock having enough pastures and water, we trust that we're going to have fresh vegetables and yeah, food. There's so much good things coming up. So what is this about? I've been letting you know. That's a rooster. This is a Maasai who keeps chicken. I've been letting you know that it's possible for you to get to learn Maasai language. And for this particular post, I thought maybe I would throw this in. I'm giving out 3 free days of learning Ma. Like, could you exchange pleasantries? Could you get one proverb to help you on the way? Could you, I don't know, what is it that you ever wanted to do in Masai? Do me a favor, respond to this, and I'll get back to you whether or not you'll be in class. Yes, kindly respond to this status and I will get back to you. I'm looking for 10 people. Yes, if I get 10 responses on this status, then we have us free class for 3 days.